I'll search again.
Orders coming down the pipe.
Deck again.
Going up. Reinforce that back wall.
No route to check. Advance team, securing point. Look sharp, fellas. Capture and hold that area.
WSC is up.
WSC is up.
Scouts have deployed into the field.
Area secured. Make it quick. You name it. Reference that grid point. We need to secure and hold it. Heading it. We gotta capture us, boys. We're gonna drive into the line and secure that ground. Capture that point. Be ready for any counterattack.
So one machine gun, then
Scouts, come on, boys. Capture.
Heavy machine gun has been requisitioned.
engineers.
We gotta capture and hold that ground.
He's going for this one.
Need some recon, sir? Spread out. Cover your sector.
Where'd you need a 30 cal?
I think this one's better for me because I can put a machine gun in this building and fight for it quite easily.
Target. They want that area secured. Make it quick. Fall in. We're moving. No route. Come on, boys.
Set up and stand by.
Need some recon. We're moving.
Deploying engineers now.
Hey.
Get those guns
Scout
ready.
forward element.
Orders just came in.
Scout team. Taking ground.
You've been told, why am I always carrying the gun, huh?
We're ready to go, sir.
I think USF is in ones.
Fall back. Get the hell out of here. Enemy contact. Double time, fellas. Right down. Taking hits. Lift crossroad, fighting, start 'em. That's us, boys. Get ready.
Territory lost.
You reckon they know we're here?
I want to force this to retreat so I can cap this.
Quit lagging behind.
Come up. He forced to retreat early because he's worried about me wiping him.
Toes, listen up.
Bazooka squad is equipped and ready.
Make a decision. Engineers, take an enemy fire! On the march, fellas.
Sharp, fella. Reference that grid point.
Engineers,
Secure and
get
hold.
moving. We'll soften it up.
Misclick.
Infantry, get to cover. Go, stick together.
Oh, probably cost me the fucking kill too.
Engineers need fire support. Oh, fuck me, they're taking pot shots at us.
Oh my god.
Engineer squad.
How did I lose vision on it, dude? What the fuck?
Ready.
Point secure.
Initiating construction.
How is that even? Oh, like, I actually have no idea how that's even possible. I'm actively shooting at it,
We're all ears, sir. You name it. Hold it up front.
and it's shooting at me, and
Hold it up right there.
.50 cal heavy machine guns requisitioned to frontline forces.
what can you do?
It's us, boys. We can't stay here, but we're gonna drive into the... We're back to full
They're calling us in, fellas. That's it. It's secured. Get ready for action. Let's pack it up and move.
What can you do?
You got the shot! Take it! Get your ass up! We gotta take their position! Follow me!
What's the mission? Capture and hold! Capture and hold!
The ISC's been upgraded, and a captain has been assigned to you.
Orders coming down the... Let's head out, boys. Stay together. Let's get to it, fellas. Fall back, boys!
Well, look what the cat coughed up.
Go for healing next.
Defend our victory point. We're losing it.
Binocs out! Let's have a look-see.
Get your gear ready and move out.
They've captured a victory point.
Down the head!
MG moving on.
Let's go!
Engineers on the field.
Side armor! Stop! Get right there!
5 is receiving enemy fire!
Pick up the pace!
We've been told, told wherever needed.
M3 half-track moving to the line. A fuel point is being seized by the enemy.
Oh, I went for fucking 50 cals first. Shit! Misclick.
Orders complete.
Okay. This is a very, very bad start for me then.
Well, aren't we a sight for sore eyes?
One of our sectors is now in enemy hands.
Up to it, ladies!
A victory point is under attack. We must act.
Oh.
Bazooka squad, reporting in.
Let's move out.
Let's get to it, fellas.
Drop
Crowds
the
are holding
toe!
ground.
Engage all
We're gonna
targets!
take it from them.
Smash all resistance!
Enemy movement near a victory point.
Eager to forward. We got the word, gentlemen. Gunny says we gotta move.
Let's rev that engine, boys.
Kids, time to stretch
They have taken our victory point.
Here we come,
It's got something coming up.
Captain here. Captain, leading the way. Orders coming! You're taking fire! Taking losses! Break it off! Back to HQ! Get on with it! We're under strength! Come back to HQ! Disengage!
Okay.
Assault half-tracks will lead our boys to the front.
Germans might probe the area to see if we're still here.
Orders just came down. We'll fix
That was alright then.
All right. On full strength. Captain here. What have you got? Get that gear squared away. Come on.
Get ready to
out
kick
the
some
letter.
ass resupply. We're heading out.
A fuel point is being lost.
We're up. Minesweepers,
Squad is
cutters,
back to full
everything
strength.
a growing engineer. Calling us in, fellas. We've
Weapon
completed
crew.
your orders.
Here with me.
Pack those weapons. Orders coming in. Coming down the chain. Move.
Pass out the
Listen
kit.
up. Stand fast.
No route too challenging.
Order just came through on the radio.
Scout, we gotta get to
Pack
that
those
point.
weapons.
Orders
Orders
told
coming in.
wherever needed.
Alright.
We've lost control of a sector.
That's the time for the second machine gun.
Get those guns ready. Orders just came in. Orders carried out.
Territory sector claimed by the enemy.
We got the word, gentlemen. Pack it up and move. Blast away.
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point.
Firing.
Holy moly, that was lucky.
Victory point has fallen into enemy control.
This is definitely a map where I will...
We got ours to set out. Get ready.
Get that gear squared away. Come on. Stop. Looks like we're going. Get that doobie somewhere where it
Go
can't
for a second half track.
That's us. Get up there. Move that. We got it, move it. Get your ass up. We gotta move.
Stop right there.
Get up there. Move it. We are good to go. You maggots. Keep your damn head down. Move forward. Join your squad. Let's move. Let's move. Come, Jerry. Let's get rolling. Calling us in, fellas.
Sector gone. We must take it back.
Waiting on you.
Stronger, boys. I don't fancy your chances.
Make a decision.
Alright.
Hot damn! Ground fire!
Here it comes, fellas.
Assault half-track hitting the field.
Elephant home!
Keep an eye out for Jerry.
Contact! Small arms!
Order this time. Heads down. Get up on that point. Jesus, we're gonna get our asses shot. On that bullshit. Run! Run!
too. We'll fix her up. Good as new.
Bazooka team, get that
Alright,
gear squared
now
away. Come
it's
on.
time for the sniper.
What's the up? Secure that ground! We're all ears, sir. We've got
You heard
orders
the
to
man.
advance.
We're up. Gunny says we gotta move.
Sniper and super bazookas.
Orders coming down the chain. Round up the men and let's get to it.
Scouts, loaded and ready.
Patched up.
You on control 3,
Break out the repair kit. We've got
control 2.
Listen up. Let's go. Capture orders, fellas.
Get set to redeploy. Patched up.
Weapons. We got our orders.
Sniper, sniper.
We got the tools. Get on that ground. Take it from
That's us. We got somewhere to be.
Let's go. I want eyes everywhere.
Need some heads down! Now we're out to capturing territory! Sausage side!
Order just came through on the radio. Bazooka's on the wing. Let's go.
Scouts, loaded and ready.
Advance. Keep an eye out for Jerry.
First, stay low!
Look at the cat cough.
Defend our victory point. We're losing it. The victory point is under enemy control now. We're losing a fuel point.
Oh, phosphorus rocket cost me munis.
frontline elements.
Let's kill some ground! I'll stop it for you.
God damn it. What now?
Commander, we've lost a sector.
Engineers here. Orders incoming. Come, don't stop for. Wait. Take that territory. Make them pay for it.
Bazooka. Keep those bazookas on the wing. Let's go.
Sniper,
Be ready
rebase
to
him.
engage.
Taking line.
Frontline elements.
Coming fire. You should do it.
Right, engineer.
Take an enemy fire.
Deploying engineers now.
Sniper, heading over!
Get up there. Move
Let's
it.
put taking the
Down.
shot.
Let's go. Move up. We got wounded.
Well, what is rebasing? Make it quick!
Capture and hold that area.
What's the holdup? You
They
heard
pushed us off a sector.
Taking heavy fire.
No reset battle side.
Shit. Taking heavy fire. God damn it. Who's the Come through. Be ready to engage.
Once we capture that point,
Hey, you got a
be
job
ready
for
for
us?
any
Back it
counterattack.
up. Engineers securing here. Do something. You got a target for me. Spot it. My infantry.
Soft all over, boys. Easy target.
You have 3 command points available.
The fuck out of my game!
Enemy movement near a victory point.
Get on quick as can be! Orders complete! Engage at will! Cover!
Greases. All ass.
Sniper report! Break and engage
Yeah, it's not
ready!
gonna work, buddy.
What's the holdup? Let's go.
Go! Go! Go!
Those weapons. Rest
Hot
time's
damn!
over. Let's move
We're
it.
up!
Ready to kick some ass, boys.
Nothing more to do here. Follow me.
Half-tracks have orders to coordinate team weapons in their vicinity.
One more bazooka at this stage, I think.
We're headed into Cow territory.
Orders
Because I'm
coming
going
down
for
the
that
chain.
half track.
Got it.
Don't feel the need to get super bazookas right now.
Orders just came in.
I have it relocating to new location.
Order just. Let's pack it up and move.
Task completed.
Bazooka squad is equipped and ready.
Helmets on. We're going.
Reporting. Shake a leg, fellas. Well, look at the cat cock. Pack it up and move.
Boys all right back there?
Enemy activity near our munitions point.
Orders just came down.
Let's move! Flank security here! Picking us apart! Defenders, get down! Spread out! Cover your sector!
Get out of here! Back
We have a surplus of command from supply. Reconnect with it.
Sir! Yes, sir! Austin, listen up!
90-day
The
wonder.
victory point is under attack. We must act.
Strap your gear.
Enemy contact! M3, take... Time to roll.
The victory point has fallen into enemy control.
Damn it, we need to capture that point. We're up.
Stay together.
If you insist.
Impregnable.
Bazooka team.
Right up into the half track. I want someone watching the rear.
Where'd you need a 30 cal? Ready.
We're
Secure
on
the
it.
point.
Orders complete.
Reverse the sound.
Sector lost. No contact.
The gun, huh?
We're all back, boys! Nothing else
We
to
got the tools.
Get ready to get lock it down. Moving out of patrol.
Engineers standing by. Requisition to hazard kit. Prep the M1. Start taking.
Area secure.
Weapon
Set
free.
up and stand by fire mission. Shake a leg, fellas. Back those weapons. Orders coming in.
Point is at the end. Advance to new position.
The sector's been overrun. It's theirs now.
Wake up call.
I'll stop.
Weapon moving to maggots. Let's go. Orders coming down the chain. Get up there, moving. Moving to maggots.
Stop! Stop! Sniper reporting! Look at the door! They're making a run! Here's the time! Order back down! That's
Grenade! In the dirt! We can't stay here!
Commander, you have 5 command points available.
Later, we gotta move!
3-inch heavy AT guns are now available to us.
Get ready to advance to contact.
Lost our frontline engineers.
Get that gear squared away! Come on!
Hold! Hold! Enemy infantry! Pizza!
M3 half-track has been destroyed.
That's alright.
What's up?
We're up, fellas! Take it from them!
Listen up. Got orders.
MG, waiting on you.
Rebuild my
The enemy
engineers.
have taken
Oh no,
territory
I
from
don't.
us.
I don't know what to do.
With all this noise.
Ready for action.
I can convert this to a
Who's the
half
mark?
track.
Starting my advance.
What if you liberate that sector?
Rifle at the ready.
Get ready to fire, goddammit!
Engaging in route.
Hit the dirt!
I have everything but a target. Making my move.
Enemy movement near a victory point.
Reference that grid point.
Combat engineers.
Taking rounds! Enemy CP in sight!
Hey, you got a job for us?
Fear incarnate.
Bazooka!
They have taken our victory point.
Advancing. Prepare for contact. Just do it.
Cover! Back! Get the hell out of here! Fellas,
The hunt begins.
You have command points ready to spend.
cat coughed up.
That's our number, boy. We're switching
Get on with it.
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point.
Get it! You heard the man. Move forward! We're on your squad!
Victory point now under enemy control.
Done, Howard. You, cover the rear.
Get ready to kick some ass, boys. Guard that line and spray whatever moves.
Hold that perimeter while
Bazooka
we
team,
capture.
get your gear ready and move out!
This seems smart to you.
Well, look what the cat coughed up.
Alright. Bulldozer time.
Our weapon teams will hold the line, no matter the cost.
Get from them!
We gotta move, boys! Get ready!
Firing! No matter what!
Point is at relocating the big gun.
Finish. What's next?
These bazookas! Move forward! Turn on! Take your shot!
Look, secure that position!
Engineers here.
The enemy is stealing our munitions point.
Panzer! You know what Panzer says? Weapon crew, take it!
I have everything but a weapon free.
Weapon crew.
Moving.
Hold this position! Come hell or high water! All right, fellas, set 'em up! That's our damn
Take them
Gotta
by
get to
surprise.
that point. Let's go.
Orders coming down. Secure that ground. Well, look what the cat
Okay.
on that point.
3-inch, and we're good to go.
We're bolstering all team weapons, Commander. This should keep them in the fight.
Scouts, loaded and ready. Starting recon.
Back those weapons. Get back! Enemy troops!
Too slow.
Order just came through on the radio.
Ready to advance to contact. Our objective.
Got away with my machine gun, which was a bit annoying.
What now?
We're moving out, fellas.
Get out of here! Back to H!
Purpose, boys.
All right, come on. Minesweepers, cutters, everything a growing engineer needs.
Heavy anti-tank. Deploying now.
All in. We're moving.
Rifle at the steady as
No
thine
round too
hand.
challenging.
Intervention is at his
Let's
loader
head out,
won't
boys.
even notice.
Stay together.
We need to park it over there, man.
Back those. I'm inside. Go.
Told where we need it.
Defend our victory point. We're losing it.
We've got orders to advance.
Let's put some fear into rebasing!
Scout, what we want is over
The victory point is under enemy control now.
Contact!
Contact. Capture point is being overrun. Enemy has 300 points remaining.
Trying to cut me down!
Snap, let's move. Infantry stacked.
Captain here.
Contact.
Hit the dirt! Sir, yes, sir! Officer reported! Captain, we got orders! Target marked! Get back to CP! Get back to CP!
My healing stacks? Yeah, it does. Look at that.
We're all ears, sir. Crowds are holding ground we need to
You
take.
heard the man.
Let's go.
We're up. They're calling us in, fellas.
Commander, orders complete.
The victory point is under attack. We must act.
Engineers standing by.
Bring her to a stop.
That's it. Get to it.
Let's pack it up
Enemy
and move.
infantry.
They've captured a victory point.
What's that half-track they keep doing?
The Zone 3-inch gun is ready to deploy.
Stay low!
Hit it where it hurts, boys.
Order! Let's move! Let's know we're here! Get your ass up! We gotta move! I don't fancy our chances, do you?
Grab those belts, Private. Our objective's clear.
That's us. We can't stay here, boys.
Hey, flies up,
Who's the
helmets
mark?
on. We're going.
Relocating to new location.
Get ready to kick
Rest
some ass,
time's
boys.
over. Let's move out.
Scouts, loaded and ready. Lights out, fellas. Laying low.
Sniper. Nice stationary target.
Get down. Repair work completed.
Time to get rev up that engine, boys. We're moving.
Whoa there. Let him pass.
Enemy away. They've got me. Infantry on approach. Go. Busy here. Damn it. Getting the fuck out of here.
Order, come down, Shane. Listen up. Order just jump to it, boys.
Reverse. Grind those gears.
All-purpose mines. There, and there. Greasers, stand to. The M1.
All right.
Deck it.
Another bulldozer. Super bazooka's next. And we're good to go.
Sharpshooter confirmed.
Forward units report the Krauts are down to 250 points.
Lines blend.
Back those. We got pulled from patrol orders. Stay alert. Setting us alone, right?
Okay, let's crank her up.
You name it. Fall in. We're moving.
Engineers here. Engineers.
Bazooka team. You ain't shit. You hear? They're calling us in, fellas. Target. Fire!
Territory point is no longer under our control. Commander, we're losing territory. Serve with gallantry. Hold the line. WSC is under fire. Lost the weapon crew. All dead. That was a sniper. He's dead.
My retinue is under enemy fire.
Comes from the top. Back it up. What needs clearing? Back. Let's keep where we're going. God damn it! What kind of hard to work with all this noise? Unhook. Split the trail. Get your gear out of it. Take it away! You know what to do.
Let's get moving. Take an HMG fire.
Those are on the move.
Got us pinned down over here.
Let's get out.
This is a kill zone.
Order just came through on the radio.
Our opponent has fallen to 200 points.
Let's go.
Defend our victory point. We're losing it.
We can't stay here.
The victory point has fallen into enemy control.
Looks like we're going in. We're under strike. Area capture. God damn it.
The victory point is under attack. We must act.
Right on, boys. Don't make a decision.
On your order. Frontline weapons will make their stand.
Yes, come on. What's wrong?
The munitions point is being attacked.
Back up. Go.
Well, look what the cat coughed up.
That's us. We're up. Okay, let's crank her out. On the march, fellas. Engineers on the march.
Engineer squad has been killed.
Ouch.
Listen, gotta get to that.
Territory lost.
Let's get this baby purring. 42 in range. It ain't shit. They're firing. Stay the hell down. Picking up support.
Engineers on the field. We've lost an anti-tank gun.
Told where we needed. Shoulder those guns. Shoulder march! Squad those gears! Our object, pull it back, steady! Got me a target!
Well, look what the cat coughed up. Get your gear ready and move out.
Time to put your money where your mouth is.
Bazooka team, we've got a target, boys.
Earn your challenge.
Find some damn cover. Don't get your ass up. You gotta move.
munitions points is being neutralized.
See you later.
Enemy movement near a victory point.
Back to full strength. We got our orders. Ready for action. Let's go. Get that reverse here.
A victory point is under enemy control now.
Boys. We got the word, gentlemen.
Fruits are on the line.
We've lost control of a sector.
This time's over. Let's coming down. Chain. Listen up. Order completed.
Keep your space.
Engineers
Don't
here,
watch
sir.
our work, crew.
We got the tools. Requisition to hazard kit. Minesweepers, cutters, everything a growing engineer.
You've been given a purpose, boys. Field
All
upgrade.
right, what do we got
Sure.
here?
Well, look what the cat coughs. Shake
Press
a leg,
out the
fellas.
kit.
Can't
Upgrade.
stand around all day.
Tools
Combat
down.
move.
Repair work
Be ready.
completed.
Alright, well, super bazookas. I forgot to upgrade those. Get those now.
It's theirs now.
Patched up. Repairs complete.
All right, let's move out.
Weapon support center is taking sustained damage.
Kinda hard to work with all this noise.
Get those guns ready.
We're not above a little season home. That's a heavy machine gun. Air gun to CP. Join your squad.
Research carried out.
Looks like we're going in. Get down, head down. Head down. Taking suppressive fire. We can't stay here. Jesus, we're gonna get our asses shot. I don't think we're chances to you. Run! Run! Stay low, stay low.
Check the line. Capture point under attack.
Orders, let's go.
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point. They have taken our victory point. We've lost a scout squad.
Take that position.
Now we're squeezing the Hellcat.
We must pull this back. We're down to 300 points.
Unhook. Split the trail. We're deploying. Infantry! Beat 'em up out!
These bazookas need targets! MG fire! Taking MG fire!
Our Sherman 105 isn't responding. The whole bazooka squad has been killed. Enemy movement near a victory point.
Go sideways fast.
Fellas, get ready!
Look alive, boy. Keep your space. You don't run. Bring her to a stop.
We've captured a victory point.
Oh, that's too close.
No route heading to new coordinates.
CO, okay, let's go.
Orders coming down the pipe.
Get back to full strength. Hey, team, let's get this baby purring.
Well, look what the cat coughs. Capture that area.
What? Fucking max range Shrek connected? Fuck off, dude. Scammed.
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point.
Moving into crowd territory.
Let's get this baby. Driver, stop here.
Victory point now under enemy control. God damn it. The captain's been killed.
Mount up. Move out.
Engineers standing by. All right.
You heard the man. Up on that
We're gonna keep your spacing. Don't bunch up. Oh, now we're playing. Let's tag.
Unhook. Split the trails. We're deploying.
Look what happened.
Let's fall over. Give us the distance, goddammit.
Get ready to kick some ass.
Contact! Infantry! Get them up out!
Control fire needed.
Ammo! To reverse!
Engineers here.
Now orders are orders. You're taking our side!
Oh my god! It's on 0 health, dude! Fucking 0!
At the Sherman
Fucking 0!
The cat coughed up.
All right, knock this off. We're gonna dive into the line, secure that ground. Recruits are on the line.
Time to Archer.
Secure that ground.
Engineers standing by.
Get those guns ready.
Let's pack
Orders
it up
just
and
came
move.
in.
What's next?
Be ready to engage.
Get on that ground. Hey, you got a job for us?
Order just came through on the radio. Ready and move out.
That does it. Get ready.
Armor! Looks like we're going. It's firing! No matter what! Take it from them! Get your ass up! We gotta move! Let's go! Move out! Get rolling, boys! Or get out of here!
We got the tools.
Hold on tight. We're headed out.
Secure that ground.
enemy is down. The victory point is under attack. We must act.
It's gotta be going for a king tiger or something
Hey, you got a
next,
job
right?
for us? Seizing location.
They've captured a victory
Engineers
point.
standing by. All-purpose mines.
Get those
There,
guns ready.
there, and
Orders
there.
just came in. Get ready to kick some ass, boy. Guard that line and spray whatever.
What
moves.
needs clearing? That's our number, boys.
Need another bazooka, I think. Maybe I should go for a Hellcat now, actually.
We got the tools.
Best time's over. Let's move out. Stand fast.
It's our shithole now.
Noise! Reverse here! That infantry out in the open! Got a goddamn handguard! Let's hook it up! Give us some distance, goddammit! Be ready!
Mind that.
And reverse!
The munitions point is being attacked. WSC is under fire. The weapon has been decrewed. Hellcat has been completed. Enemy down to 75 points and falling. Lost our frontline engineers.
What? Died back here?
Anti-tank crew killed in action.
Get up and move.
We need to park it over there, man.
Order 10 to march, fellas.
Get ready to advance the contact. Let's crack it up. Time to wrap some crowds. Help out, boys.
Orders, get your gear ready and move out. Hold it up right
Get
there.
ready to kick some ass, boys.
sir.
Pack those weapons.
Defend our victory point. We're losing it.
Back up, back up, back up!
The victory point has fallen into enemy control.
Get those guns ready. Orders just came in.
Sector gone. We must take it back.
They want that area secure.
Orders loud and
Make it
clear!
quick.
Our infantry on attack, steady! We're on it! Give us some distance, goddammit! Boys, don't move it, man! You're in trouble! He's dead!
An entire gun crew has been killed.
Why the fuck does the walking Stuka do so much damage to tanks, dude? Why? 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 Why?
We're up. Pack it up. We're heading for HQ.
Get ready to kick some ass, boys.
Fire free! Fire!
has received your command.
Direct fire! HE on that target! Secure that position!
A victory point is under attack. We must act. They have taken our victory point.
Set up once that area is secure! Orders just came down.
Word's coming down.
Back those weapons. Orders
Been
coming
told
in.
wherever needed.
Reese's, stand to.
Okay, let's crank her up.
That's our number, boys.
Tank just driver. Stop here.
Hey, just fix what you can. Get your ass up.
you
We
got a
gotta
job
move.
for us?
Take your shot.
Bring us down. Repair work complete.
New recruits in. Hold up, let's go.
Got the word from battalion command.
Engineers quit lagging behind. Enemy territory. Check for cover.
Get
We
that
secure
gear.
it.
One of our sectors is now in enemy hands.
Guns ready. Orders just came in.
Look alive, boys. We're up.
Enemy activity near our munitions point.
All right, let's move out. MA, keep your space. Don't bunch up.
These bazookas need tough focus. Move it, you maggots.
The enemy have taken territory from us. Commander, we should spend our munitions.
Enemy tank. Back to heat.
Sherman 105 is reporting in.
Get the fuck out of here, son!
Half-track scan ready as strong point. On your word.
Roger that. Move it. Just shoulder those guns. We're good to go. Orders carried out, Commander.
It is those. This one comes from the top.
You are the man. We're up.
Who needs close? Sheds in affirmative.
Let's run.
Hold it here.
Resources cut off. We have territory isolated. Serve with gallantry. Hold the line. Victory point now under enemy control. Krauts are pushing us back. We're down to 250.
Let's go. Keep her steady. Half-track's on the boys. You want to dash it?
We'll drag you along for the ride.
Let him through.
Let's get this baby hurry.
Stand by.
Follow my lead.
Get up on that point.
Hold up. Let's break them down.
For fuck's sakes.
Sustained damage. Bazooka squad reporting in.
Straight on, straight on. Make it quick. Suck my fucking helmet off.
Grab my dick. We're on our
We
way.
gotta take their position.
Driver,
Follow me. We got the set up once that area is secure.
Commander, we should spend our munitions.
All right, pull it back. Steady.
Reese's, whatever it is, it's better
Give
than
it
a
a purpose,
Reese's.
boys. Okay, let's crank her up.
We're deploying.
You heard the men. We're up.
Orders, loud.
Deploying engineers now.
Orders in. Let's make it happen.
Holy shit.
We got the tools.
The hold. Eyes on the ground.
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point.
Fancy moving, you maggots!
Come on. Move your asses.
On your order. Frontline weapons will make their stand. The entire gun crew has been killed.
For fuck's sakes, dude. Fucking Stuka's such a fucking annoying piece of shit. Why is it so OP?
Enemy movement near a victory point. A victory point is under enemy control now.
All right, let's move out. Been given a purpose.
200 points remaining on the front line.
Reese's, stand to.
Those guns ready. Capture and hold that area. Let's get this thing.
Engineers on the field.
What's out here?
Engineers here. Minesweepers, cutters. Hey, you got a job for us? Guys up.
Okay.
Be ready to engage. Reverse here.
Bazooka tip, back it up and move.
Upgrades in.
Tank destroyer.
More Hellcats, you reckon?
Take an enemy fire!
Cover his position.
Orders are orders. 50
What's up? All these pressures. Stop fighting this.
Take it out, let's get it done.
For fuck's sakes, you think it's over here and then it's fucking like 3 shells scattered along
Lost the territory.
in a row. And now your squad that you were dodging with.
Ready for action.
All ass.
Okay, let's crank her up.
So annoying.
All right, boys, orders.
Just as you're climbing your way out of the pit, you know?
Keep your space. Come hold it here. Enemy infantry! Listen up. We got armor. Take your shot. Head reverse. Spread those grenades. Keep on going. Order confirmed.
Everybody says we gotta move.
Got the word from the tank. Where's coming down? Ground territory.
Eyes open.
Skippy, you're up.
Oh, what a horrible time for him to attack me.
On Hiver. That's an affirmative.
Hey, you gotta break out the repair kit. We got this.
Get your gear ready.
Short straw, fellas. We
Get
got
ready to
fighting
kick some ass,
patrol.
boys. We need parking over there, man. Those guns, move out.
Secure that ground.
Engineer squad has been killed.
Set up once that area is secure. Order. I don't like it either.
Tank, rev up that engine.
Really cool, guys.
Straight on, straight on. Orders, we're on it.
Really cool.
Get ready to kick some ass, boys.
One of our munitions points is being neutralized. All teams, hold fast. Make your stand.
Let's crank her up.
We'll fix her.
Enemy infantry coming in and try. Order confirmed. Back up, back up, back up. MA timbers here. They're okay. I've been told they're
German tank, finished and ready.
Could it just not wipe a squad? One time.
back, steady.
One time? Could it not wipe a squad, please?
Those guns
Just one.
Orders
Just one time, please. Unbelievable.
We got a fighting patrol. Time to get to work, crew. Let's get this baby purring. Let's tackle Stubby here. Look around. Take your one. Shit. Yeah, that's up. Give us some distance, goddammit. We got the word, gentlemen. Orders in, go and move. Listen up, reverse. Squad knows we got here, brother. Put him in there. Heavy fire.
Takes like 7 shots to kill it too.
Crowd's just wiped out a bazooka squad. Defend our victory point. We're losing it.
Okay, let's crank her up. Hold it here.
They have taken our victory point.
Who needs bouncers?
One of our strategic points is under attack.
Who needs bouncers?
AT crew standing by. Those guns ready.
The enemy is stealing our munitions point.
God, it's like a fucking race car now. I can't get away from the Tiger. It's so much faster than every unit I have.
On your order, frontline weapons will make their stand. Anti-tank gun is out of action. Can't hail our Hellcat. Crew dead. Commander, our anti-tank defenses are failing. Enemy forces are confirmed.
Oh, boys. Fucking walking Stuka, man. Fucking walking Stuka. Must have got like 90 kills that game. I'm not even joking. It's got 2 barrages on, they're on separate cooldowns, and then he had the Vet 3 cooldown reductions, which are like 50% or something, 50% faster. So it's just like a never-ending stream of walking Stuka barrages. If I had like 3 squads more left alive, I could have held this, but alas, they all got wiped by the walking Stuka. I wish we could see what the actual deaths were. Like, I wish we could see what the actual deaths were. Dude, I was dodging really well. Most of the time, he was somehow targeting my repairs, which I'm not sure how he knew where they were. So I had 2 engineers next to my tank for repairs, you know, that's going to happen. And you can't spread out, right? You say don't blob, but what is sending 1 squad to anywhere on the map going to do for me apart from capture? It's just going to get run down by P3s and wiped on retreat. So you can't spread out. You have to play like that. Nah, he didn't have the recon tractor. Oh, man. That's sad. Just lack the finishing touch sometimes, you know? Did his Tiger get away on 0 health? Was that it? Maybe it was the Vet 3P3. I feel like that's when I kind of lost my grasp on the game. Like, I felt like I was winning the game, and then that tank got away on 0 health. I think it was a P3. And that's when I felt like the tide shifted in his favor. And then the walking Stuka just keep wiping. I was dodging so well, I felt like. I was constantly dodging. But just kept wiping. Even in Code 2, I know there's a bit of a myth about being able to hear repairs. I think you have to have a squad within about 80 range of the repairs to hear them in Code 2. But no, I don't think you can hear them in Code 3. Dude, I was containing the Tiger pretty damn well. you're going to expect some bleed when you're playing against a Tiger, right? As long as you keep your squads alive, that's the number one thing. It was the walking Stuka that won the game. Do you know what was very annoying in that last engagement too? My 3-inch is like 20 range away from the Tiger and it bounced. It fucking bounced.